Patrol has issued a law enforcement warning due to severely reduced visibilities in the following areas. Route 58 from Malaga Road to Tower Line. Also on Route 99 from Rosedale to 7th Standard Road. And also along Route 99 from Herring to State Route 119. And also on Route 166 from State Road 119 to Highway 99. Motorists should use extreme caution in this area and should avoid it entirely.
Can I have more? Well, of course you can. Was it really that good?
It's like a rainbow in my mouth.
It works wonders, doesn't it?
But will it work on Big G's gross gut-wrenching cooking?